Students today are using artificial intelligence tools to finish their schoolwork faster than ever before. With the right AI workflow, assignments that used to take hours can now be completed in just minutes. The first step in this workflow is research. Students start by using Google Scholar. This platform helps them quickly find trusted academic research and articles, which saves a lot of time compared to manual searching. Whether it's for a paper or a project, Google Scholar is the go-to resource for finding credible sources. Once the research is done, students move on to understanding the material. Here's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT simplifies complex concepts by explaining them in easy-to-understand language. Students can simply ask questions or ask for summaries of difficult topics, saving them hours of reading and trying to grasp tough subjects. The next step is rewriting the content. After understanding the material, students need to put it into their own words for assignments or essays. This is where Quillbot shines. Quillbot is an AI-powered paraphrasing tool that takes your text and rewrites it, improving clarity and ensuring it's unique. This tool helps students avoid plagiarism while also making their writing clearer. Now that the content is rewritten, students need to check their grammar and writing quality. This is where Grammarly comes in. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that automatically checks for spelling, grammar, punctuation, and even style improvements. It helps students polish their writing, making sure it's professional and error-free. The next step is organization. Keeping notes and assignments organized is key to staying productive. Here, Notion AI helps students organize their tasks, notes, and study materials. With Notion AI, students can easily categorize their work, set reminders, and quickly access anything they need for school, all in one place. It's like having a personal digital assistant that helps you stay on top of everything. After organizing their notes, students move on to the presentation phase. With Canva, students can easily create beautiful and professional-looking presentations. Canva offers templates, graphics, and tools that make designing slides a breeze. Whether it's for a class presentation or a group project, Canva helps students create high-quality visuals in just a few minutes. By following this simple AI automation workflow, students can save countless hours every day. From research and understanding to rewriting, organizing, and presenting, AI tools like these are changing how students study and work. In 2026, artificial intelligence is becoming an essential assistant for students to study smarter, not harder. This approach provides students with a clear, efficient, and effective way to use AI tools for their schoolwork. Instead of spending hours on each step, AI makes it possible to work faster and with higher quality.